going to review this Basenor mud flaps for the Tesla Model 3. I got this sent over to me to test it out. So right when you open the box, you got some instructions here on how to install it. And then you got the mud flaps with some screws that you're going to replace it with. These are labeled right there. Got the rear. And then some extra clips. And these are the other side, I believe. Okay, guys, so the first thing you're going to need to do this whole project is you're going to need some tools. You're going to need a flathead to remove the current clips, a Phillips screwdriver to screw on the new clips, and you're going to need a 10mm socket to remove the OEM brackets holding only the rear bolt. Step, we want to clean this really well just by spraying around the area of any dust and debris, just so then we can stick it on and not worry about it scratching, and so it'll adhere better. Rear, there's one bolt right there, 10mm. Next step, just make sure you identify the correct mud flap. It's actually going to go like this. It's going to use the existing hole right there, and then it's going to use the under hole at the bottom right there. So that's how it should look like. The correct one for the front, there should be 3 holes. It should go on like that. So there's 3 existing mounting points, so we're going to remove the current ones with a flathead. So if you need some extra space on the right side or left side of the front for the mud flaps installation, just remember to turn the wheel to the direction you're trying to work on. So if you're trying to put it on the right side, turn your wheel to the right. I'm going to go ahead and fix this here. Put on the bolts. Should be good to go. 2 clips are there and the screws at the top. Now let's go and repeat it on the other side.